in Iran. He has talked about an outreach to Iran while still saying that Iran has to meet certain tests in order to continue and really improve the relationship. What do normal people you talk to say about this new American president?
Every indication that I got was that people are curious about Obama, interested in Obama, and excited about the possibilities of this woman. I did have one Iranian say this is an opportunity that's not going to come again for years. At the same time, that is tempered with a little bit of skepticism. One of the things that you read in the Iranian press and that you hear from Iranian political analysts is